Hello YouTube, this is Wilson, and today I'm going to show you a video of my nerf guns. It's been a long time since I haven't made a video of my nerf guns, so I'm just going to show you my top two ones. First, we are going to look at the long shot CS6. Okay, with this, it's like a sniper, so get this, and it shoots probably like 36 feet or 30. Okay, and they're pretty cool. So there's two different kinds of colors. There's blue and there's yellow, which it could be for like wars, like blue versus yellow, you know, like that, yeah. So take that. Okay, I got this 1 year ago, okay? 1 year ago I got this. Okay, so that's my long shot CS6. And this one is pretty awesome. It's the Hornet ES6. Okay. See, that looks deadly. I like that kind of design because it's like a missile launcher gun. So first, if you want to do that, you pump it up. After you pump it up, it will shoot. And it does this. So it's supposed to come out, but I don't know what it's for. But I know it's sensitive, so. Okay, so that's the Hornet AS6. I got the red one. It came with different kinds of guns, but I got this instead, so I got the Hornet. If you have any questions about my nerf guns, I will leave a comment, or if you want me to make what kind of nerf, what do you want me to do with my nerf guns? The AS6 is my favorite. My top favorite is the long shot CS6. I like the design. But one thing you should do, if your mom or dad, or if you are a teenager or they like to do stuff, well, I haven't done this, but if you get a black spray, you could spray your guns to make it look real. That might be cool, but I didn't want to do that because that would be stupid, because police officers think that was real. With the launcher CS6, you see that, you can do the length. Depends on how tall you are. So this size would be good for little kids like 48 inches and teenagers or kids who have long arms. They can easily reach. Okay, they can easily reach. So that's my CS6. Oh, it came with another type of gun that connects here, but I don't know where it is. Sorry about that. So it's kind of like the launch shot design. There's different kinds of launch shots. I remember the name of it. So, launch shot CS6, the Hornet AS6. It looks like a missile, sorry. You can also paint this black if you want, but... So I hope you like my video on my Nerf guns. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box. And I will give you some serious videos that you would love if you want me to. So, thank you for watching on my Nerf guns. So, I hope you like my video on my Nerf guns. Thanks for watching.